Me no need to talk the whole of them something them, no need to hear the whole of them something them. Him take my name, him take my address and him take my phone number and him walk away from me and go over into the corner him and him other friend.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, now we are trained.
Walk on again, unstoppable family. So people today me have a young lady crying out in a video for help. She says she had reached out to social media because she turned to the police and the police is not giving her the assistance that she needs. She said all she did was made a simple mistake and got there with the wrong type of man and get pregnant for him. And after she left the brother, it's like her whole life turned to turmoil. She said the man had threatened her, say him a go kill her every day, want beat her up. And even in at the police station, she said the brother threatened her, say him a go kill her and what him a go do to her. Now she explained that she went to the police station, she tried to explain to them what go on, and she said the police them nah give her no help at all. That is why she take to social media so that persons could spread this video. So if anything should happen to her, people know where to look. She even explained that she go for try get a restraining order against him, and she even in fear of the safety of her own little baby, which is her baby father, are the one where she fear when it comes to her baby. Viewers, we're going to jump in and we're going to take a listen to what this young lady is saying right now, and then more on to talk to me down in the comment section and let me know what you think. See? And if you don't have any advice where you can give this young lady, talk down below, make we know. See? Check this out.
As everybody might know, I have a 2-month-old baby. I have a 2-month-old baby. Just have baby. I've been having an issue as to where our father I make my life a living hell. Our father I give me hell. Every single day him try to make my life hell. I do everything to take out a summons for this youth. A restraining order, my apologies. Now, bear in mind this youth come run my yard, him stone me yard. Him do everything that's bad for make my life a living hell just because I avoid him. The police now do nothing. The police now help me none at all. The 2nd of August, me in at the police station and him threaten me in there. Him threaten me dog rotten. When they keep her from me, please. Him tell me, oh, I'm going to make man kill me, I'm going to pay man for kill me. Him talk all sort of something in at the police station, him style and class me in there. Bear in mind before we reach a station when me call the police them, because him come and stone me out and I disrespect my people, man. When I call the police them and them come, the first set of police from Duany Park call me. And when I call them and them come out, the police turn to me and the police say, lady, when you call police, put on your mask. I send for my mask and I put it on. He was out there. Him not have on a shirt, him not have on a mask. When I tell the police what was the issue, bear in mind and me call the police. And when I tell the police what was the issue, you know what the police tell me? I no need to talk the whole of them something them, no need to hear the whole of them something them. Him take my name, him take my address and him take my phone number. And him walk away from me and go over into the corner, him and him other friend. But talk to Rummy and Riley, Rummy in a juice land. Him go talk to him. And when them over there talk to him, him not have on no mask, him not have on no shirt, and nobody no say nothing to him. But them bad me for put on my mask. I see when me look, the police them a walk we are going at them vehicle. I say, officer, what now go do? And the police turn to me and say, miss, make the man see him baby. I say, officer, and a baby, you can't come to see baby 8 o'clock when the 2nd of August, curfew was 3 p.m. How me feel it out my 2-month-old for him? Have my 2-month-old out the road when my people ban him from in my yard. So me fi give my 2-month-old for him sit down out the road with my 2-month-old. When curfew was 3 p.m., him come after 8 hours me. I stone my yard. Me I run from the big stone them and push down my 5-year-old daughter. Me tell the police them all of that. You know what the police them do? Leave. When them a go, me say to them, say, officer, so on the night time still let they chase me up. Big pig girl, this, that. Me turn to them and me say, officer, on the night send him round my yard. The police them say, we now go wait till him gone. And them drive off, leave him round here. Bear in mind, him live round the road from me and him come on my gate. Me dead here and him start arguing and him start do all sort of something. I'm a call back another set of police, and this one set from Huntsby come, and them tell me so that is not their thing, but we must get a receipt from Duany Park Station, and them we deal with it. Another set from Duany Park, the same set me for say from Duany Park come back, and when them come back, them pick him up around the road, time end up go away. When them pick him up, them come for me. I will go down at the station. It was a disgrace down at the station. The police down there listen to me, and the police them a laugh when him a class me up on my pee big. Him talk all sort of something. Him class me up the most way I can't even talk it on air. Or him class me up and go on. It is embarrassing. And when the police down there, him a threaten me, him a go kill me. Him a go make man do me this, him a go see me on Headley Avenue and do me all sort of something, and the police sit down there. I say, officer, you hear this youth a threaten me? And when him dead there class, I say, oh, I say to the police, say, hear him a go, and the police say, mouth talk that. So me say, oh, me can't argue with him. When I start argue back with him, the police turn to me and say, we lock you up. Then him said to us, son, go to the door, no go through the gate. And I go through the door, me and him still let them a step on my foot, him a pass and him a kick me. And whether they argue and the police son, they go through the gate, and I say, officer, after hours now and the place dead, where they send me out the road for him kill me? The police turned to me and him said to me, what you want happen? You want go in and say, I'm rather go in at the cell, because I'm sure I'll be here tomorrow. And I have 2 people to go home to, but if you put me through the gate with him, I'm not sure me I go leave. Me I put this out because I want to know so the police them never help me in the event that you to kill me, left me 2 people them. Because at this it I go reach. It end up at me that them we end up come out my outer door, and him class me, him style me same way, him do the most thing, him threaten me, him a pull me ear, him talk about things, him pass, him kick me, him do everything. This is at Duany Park Police Station. Him talk it in front of the police, say anytime him book me at Headley Avenue, where am I go do? For the past few weeks, I avoid Headley Avenue. I go court the next day. I go court the 3rd of August, family court. I take out a restraining order. I made a ask for custody of my baby, and them tell me so I can't get sole custody of her because Jamaica down that. I turn to the social worker, Miss Francis, and I say, Miss Francis, you're gonna make him kill my baby before you can't take matters in our hand. I'm gonna tell her, I say, listen, I will give him, we make him see the baby as long as him see the baby with somebody around him, because he's mental. When him head chip, anything can happen. I don't want him do my baby nothing. He's a bipolar youth. Him we talk about a thing now, and then later hear me tell you, oh, him love you and them something there. From the 2nd of August with that big incident, me I avoid this youth. I block him off of everything except my Instagram page, because them say me can't keep him from the baby. So I still make him get pictures of the baby. Me keep a round robin Saturday. I been a true round robin. Anybody know me know me always a true round robin, with or without it, because he's a working class girl. Me and him attack, and him will help me pay the round robin. Him use that against me. Him use that against me, and bear in mind you're the father of my child. This youth tell me everything when mother and father talk about me not like them. Them say my baby a jacket. His mother and father talk say my baby a jacket. I'ma tell him say, me no want my pitney round them. Everything when me hear, come and talk to him mother and father, everything when me hear, him come back come tell me when people them talk say. Him father say, him make sure say him now come up and him start come look nothing for me eat. And from me know myself, me feed him son more than how him son feed me. So there's no way me would ever want to, cause from me a little pitney him father have stall. Until me a big woman know him father still have stall. Him father sell bread and tea. Me no want bread and tea for him. Alright. Yeah, fast forward to yesterday. Yesterday, first thing first, him a call and say him want me, him and the baby for go out. I tell him I have a restraining order out. I nah go nowhere with you. If you want to see him say him want me, him and my daughter and the baby go out. Him been a talk about things, cause I talk my next my big daughter her father. Now anytime me and him argue, him bring up my big daughter in it. I tell him say listen, not involved no, cause I complain with him tell, and I'm going to show screenshots. I go show a screenshot of the message them when I send me and I call me, I beg me for the back with him. I tell him I'm not interested. Anytime me and you talk is just about the baby. I have nothing more for say to you. Now, I start a little hookah business. My cousin start up a little hookah business for me. When I go parties, and we rent the hookahs there. It was today. God, me end up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yo, I man don't know where me I go through, you know. I don't know where me I go through, you know, but I want this go out, you know. Now, imagine. Last night he called me after 12 for come for baby money. How can you call me for come for baby money after 12? I tell him something, keep it, I don't want it. Him call him. I end up put my phone on mute because remember, me asleep, my baby asleep, and my next daughter asleep. I mute the phone. He was to come and get the child to walk her this morning, because yesterday morning him do it. I allow him for that because I not try to take the baby out of my life. I end up, you know, sleeping on the phone upon mute and I hear. So the baby end up wake up this morning, and when she wake up, I see the phone a flash, because one thing with him, when he call one time, him not stop. He call constant. So him call. When I can show no missed calls like foolishness. Me end up see the call and answer. Him start with him foolishness. So I say, listen, I just wait the phone upon mute because you perplex me yesterday. I feed the baby now. As soon as I feed her, you can get her. Yo, hurry up feed her. So you know that start piss me off now, because I'm hurry up and feed the baby. Before you go walk her, it's not mandatory for the child to get walk. End up, him lady message me and things, so I blocked him from Instagram. That was the only communication him have with me. I block him. When I block him end up, me hear my window and knock, and my sister come and say him want the baby. I finish feed the baby, give my sister, and my sister give the baby to him. Him go away. Him take about an hour and come back. Bear in mind, me don't want my pitney around him father, because him father say my baby a jacket. Him come back with the baby, and when him give the baby, him say, and the next thing is run our father she did, he run our grandfather she did. I not say nothing, I take my baby and walk away. When I take my baby and I walk away, everything was okay. Bear in mind, him still not bring the baby money come. I message him and I say, listen, I'm not going to sponge for you for no baby money. Keep the money. I'm going to show you so my baby can live. See him where you're going to live in a juice and I see my baby grow. That was it. Done with him and move on. Since night, coming from the party, and when me I come out with the things in my hand, as somebody me sit down the road, him, hey girl, are you me come lick in your face? So me put down the something that I say come lick me in my face. Him come drape me up. When him drape me up, I push him and I say come out of my face and leg off for me. Him hold on for me and him start, so I drape him up back. And him start, me and him there, and you know the people in the community apart, and think him there talk a bag of things, or him a mind pitney, and I not mind pitney. First thing first, how is it you're going to say me now do nothing for my baby? I'm her mother, and me I take care of her, and me I feed her. You send me how much message that tell me say thanks, I love how me I take care of her. Me not work, but I do what I should do. You're not supposed to watch what me I do for my pitney. Him I go say me get round robbing money, so him not supposed to get the baby no money. Like seriously? Now the arguing I go and I call my brother, and my brother come around there. Him and my brother in a tangling. And me I rush on because me not gonna make him war my brother. One fly kick in my chest. Yeah. Him fly kick me in my chest. I'm a drop and drop in a man and I tell them some here around my baby just unfair, you know. I come around and I call the police 4 times. 4 times I call Donny Park police station straight, because the receipt when I have them number upon it, I call them straight. Me give them the, as a matter of fact, I call them and give them my address, them know my name. For tell you how often me have to call down there. When I call them, I tell them the address. The operator, the person or whoever over the phone can tell you, say, them can tell you, say, it's Alicia this. I'm out there from 6:53, me I call the police and up to now. A police don't come. Eh? Now these are the things that we as females have forgot you. That's why you see so much females are dead. Me not afraid of him. Me not afraid of him because we war with him. But I have to think about me too pretty because it's not me alone again. And in the event this youth kill me, how is I gonna go with my 2 pitney them? I have to say, I have court date, I have receipt. And nobody can help if you take matters in your hand now, or when you dip on the ground, they a leak out at them time that the police them want come. Don't the police treat me like me the criminal when I go down there the other day. I call police 4 times from after 6. And how much o'clock now and all no radio car don't come on my gate. And this youth the power phone and argue with my sister them. And if me get up now and go do things, a different thing cause police are gonna come all and pull me. So these are the things that we are pay our tax for. These are the things that we are pay our tax for. Police not responsible. We as females we not help. That's how much females are dead off. Man I kill them. I not take nothing light. Him talk say him I go kill me. Him talk say him they go do when him see me upon head avenue, I go drop me upon my head. And him see me upon head avenue and kick me in my chest since night. Him talk at the police station say him I go pay man fi kill me. So he tell me say all them things you know, you're not supposed to work. You're not supposed to work your money and just make one of the hungry street boy them just do things for you. Since the police them not help you. Don't the park police them not help none at all. I call them straight. I have them number, see it there? 933-4280. I call them and talk to the female a while ago. I think Constable Williams also, she said she name her Wellington. I call and I talk and I tell what happened all. No a police can reach my gate. I'm out of my gate stand up all long me and my sister them. And bear in mind this youth, him out of control because him not have nobody who can talk to him. Him threaten him mother and him sister already. Him beat up him stepmother regular, bust up her face, fat up her eye. And nothing no come out tight. So him father fear him, him brother them fear him, everybody fear him. And me as a female have to stand up to him. Right now I don't even know if my hand spraying or what. Him kick me in my chest. I have a 2-month-old baby a breastfeed. A 2-month-old and a 5-year-old and me have to deal with them. Hey. I want to see everything because you see, if nothing happen to me, God forbid, do any park police station cause it because them is no help. Anything happen to me, do any park police station, never help me. Them never come to my assistance. Call them and tell them say a party I keep them rich. Yeah. Call them and tell them say a taxi man or a bus man do nothing them rich. But me I call them and tell them, as a matter of fact, him threatening me in the station multiple times the one night. And the police take it like, me not even understand the police writing for call him name. Yeah, and I know putting out this video, I'm going to become a target of the police them, but I don't care. Because I talk for my rights and them not help me. And me have 2 girls, but I can't make my daughter them grow up come see them stop me here. Him stole me hard. Him fight me. Him do everything that's bad. I'm not have no help. I not have no help. Me I go through the legal way. And the authorities not help me. I go through the court. Me I wait on the court date. I don't want my baby around him because I don't trust him. I don't want him to do my baby nothing. I'm still not getting no help because I'm going to tell me down at the courthouse so I can't keep my baby from him. And them don't know what me I go through. Them don't know the type of person I tell them say mental. Because when him head go, you don't know what he will do. Him come stone me the 2nd of August after 8. And when me I run from stone, me push down my 5-year-old. Him kick me in my chest. When him kick me in my chest since night, me I tell you, I feel like I swear I eat that for me. Because for a few seconds it's like my breath gone. Yeah. Now imagine you make a mistake and you talk to a guy, a crosses in the community, and these are the things that me have to face. Me have to walk and I look over my shoulder then when me walk in the community. If me have no reason for go road, me try my best not to go out there. More walk my baby, I'm afraid for walk her because him tell me say anytime him take the baby from me, I not get her back. Yeah, and these are things I'm relate to the Park police station. These are things I'm relate to the family court and tell them when me I talk to the social worker and everybody take it light. Like seriously? Women and kids, we not have nobody to protect we in this country. Eh? The Prime Minister busy focus on curfew. Him busy focus on everything else except what I go on with the ladies and the children here. Me I ask the help. Me I ask the help. Me tired of it. Me not do them something here. But me I ask the help because I can't do it no more. I'm fearful for my life. Me not gonna tell you to say. Me not gonna tell you to say. Me I easy myself and I gonna take it. No. Me not gonna ease up. Anything I have to do, any media I have to make it reach me. I gonna make it reach because I'm not gonna make my mother bury me. This youth, Rummy and Riley. Rummy. Me nah ease up. As far as me see it, it's like I bury my mother, I forgot bury me, left my 2 kids them. Because the youth not ease up just because me end the relationship. Because this has nothing to do with the baby. Because I don't keep the child from him. I send him pictures of the baby. If him call and want the baby, I give the baby to him because I try not to keep the child all time live. But the child is not the issue. It's me. Me not being with him. Me not look on him. Me not deal with him. If I see him, me try my best not to see him. So that is the big issue right now. And him use the baby. Use the baby as excuse. Every time he want to get at me, him come boy, him want baby, him want this, him want do that. Tonight, I have a sprain hand. A kicking on my chest where can hack up anytime on me. I'm call the Donny Park police. And no, a police don't come to help me. A police don't come to me rescue me. Stand up out a road right at my gate all long. And no police. I'm gonna see the things that me I face. This me I fear go through. Me I try for hold strong, but me can't hold strong no more. Me I tell you, it's been weeks. Me try not to talk about it. Me try not to post about it. Me just try for always be happy, but me can't do it no more. Because tonight, me see my life flash in front of me. Me see my life flash in front of me. Me I tell you, in the event, people never they out there. Maybe the whole of we done a post RIP on my picture right now. I'm gonna tell you the truth, that's my biggest fear. Death. Especially carelessly so. I have 2 girls I'm cherish with everything. I would do anything to make them happy. More I live for some pitney them past the worst. I pray. And I know things happen. God make things happen when the timing is right. But honestly, I'm overwhelmed. I can't do it no more. I can't do it. I can't do it no more. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I need help. I need help. I don't know what else to do. This youth, I'm at my life a living hell. Me if I walk or look over my shoulder. Imagine, born and grown in our community for 26 years. 26 years me live here, so this guy was my best friend. Imagine, me I fight with him from my baby in my belly. I fight regularly. Every day I fight with baby in my belly. The grace of God make my baby alive today and alright. I fight with him every day. Him bite me up. Me have multiple bites, both back and shoulder to show. And I have to defend myself. Yeah, I'm not going to tell him I stab him up. I do a lot of things because I have to defend myself. And his mama hate me for that because I defend myself. But how much fight I can fight? 2 weeks after my baby born, me and him in my house to fight again. Alright there, and then it's like it not stop none at all. Since the baby born, it get worse. Him threatening me. Him threatening my friends saying, you should touch the baby. Where am I going to do her? I can't do it no more. I'm done. Donny Park police not help. I call Donny Park straight as I say. I call the police 4 times, 119. I call them straight, no help. I know nobody no come. From after 6, I call police. And I know nobody no come. You just keep me now in the prayers, please.
So once again, we are say if you have any advice where you can give her, jump in at the comment section. I'm quite sure she will be reading the comments to see what you have to say pertaining to everything that she had to say right here. And the police, if you not listen right now and you hear this young lady's cry, reach out to her and give her some kind of comfort. You understand? Because as she said, obviously the police then where she got to now give her the assistance where she really need. Now we don't know the other side of the story. We only can base upon what we hear. But at the end of the day, she is concerned for her safety and her child's safety. And that we are look upon. You understand? So we are going to continue to follow this story closely. Alright, and if any developments, we will forward and bring it back to you and make you know what go on. Alright, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well at Unstoppable TV. It would be appreciated. Alright? No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.